How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. Well, I got another attachment, but not for my tractor. Oh, I could use on the tractor, I suppose. But this attachment I got, of course, I got it from Princess Auto on special. I hate when their flyer shows up because there's usually always something in there that I like and that I want to get. And sometimes the price is decent, so you end up getting it right. Anyways, this is for the lawn tractor. It's a 36-inch yard roller, steel. So let's go have a look. And I just got it out of the box now. It's over there on the table. So let's go have a look, see what you think. Alright, there you go. Steel. It's 36 inches. Well, let's just measure it. Actually, it's 39 inches long and it's 16 inches in diameter. I just got this today and I just taken it out of the box, and I don't know that you can notice it. There's a couple of dings in it, and I was thinking, now, man, brand new and it's dinged up already. I should send it back. But then I thought, well, I'm going to be dragging it over the lawn and the gravel and the rocks, so it'll probably get banged up enough. So I think I'll keep it. One thing they say about this, it's for towing behind your lawn tractor or an ATV or even your garden tractor if you want. On the end of it here, we'll just swing it around, right here, there's a plug that you can come out and you can put sand or water in it. And I believe I'm going to end up putting water in it. I think water would be the better. I could put antifreeze in it, I suppose, then we wouldn't have to drain it out ever. But anyway, that's it. Pretty nice. It's made to go behind a lawn tractor, so we have a couple of these. Don't you fall off of there now. Don't trust that. So we've got a couple of arms here, and these arms will go on here. And then the hitch will go on out here. And also mounted on this is a scraper bar. This piece of flat bar will then go across the hitch like this to scrape like clumps or whatever might get on the roller. So that's going to be good. So let's see if we can put this puppy together. First of all, I'm going to put just a couple pieces of wood here, just to hold the roller on the table because I don't want to lose my roller. Okay, will we look at the instructions to put it together or just put it together? Alright, we'll just put it together. I find it interesting that they provide you with a manual for the roller. I think the instructions in the manual, just let me see. Connect to rear of tractor, drive around yard. Pretty straightforward. I think I will refer to the manual just to make sure that I get this put together correct. Okay. I think I got her. So to put these arms on, they go on the end. Actually, there's a little rubber bushing that goes on there first. And then the arms. And then a washer. And then a circlip. Okay, so now we put the scraper bar on. Just putting that on loose for now because that needs to be adjusted. Okay, so then we take, they have some long bolts here, and they go through the two arms to join them together. And then we have these two other plates here that form the hitch. And as I understand it, they go down between these two bars. One goes there, and one goes there. Whoop. This bottom plate goes on first. And then we have this hitch pin. That goes through there. Okay, so I got my drill driver here to try that. Okay, we'll just tighten up this side. Now this scraper, I'm going to make it about, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch away from the roller. So we'll get this side, actually, that looks pretty good right there. Alright, that'll hold that. Okay, so nice new lawn roller, that's going to be good, eh? In our camp here, Nannie looks after the lawns and she does a great job, and I got to give her credit. She works miracles with the yard here, because when we first got the camp it was just nothing but a treed lot, so we cleared all the trees off and then we just pushed fill over top of what was left where we cleared the trees and threw down some lawn seed, and this is what we ended up with. But Nannie makes it look like a lawn, not grass. So anyways, give her credit for that. But in the meantime, all these stumps and everything that we buried from clearing the trees, they're rotting, sinking down, making undulations in the lawn. So it's a pretty rough ride when Nannie's out mowing the lawn. So I thought if we got this roller in the springtime when the ground is soft and the frost is coming out, maybe we could roll some of those bumps out of the lawn. Hopefully it'll make it a lot smoother, a lot nicer. We'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate all the comments and support the channel's getting. So keep it up. Leave some comments. I love the comments. Click like. Click share too. That's always nice. And have a great week, everyone. We'll talk to you.